Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Through this video, we will continue our journey of learning basic vocabulary in the Kashmiri language. However, if you have not checked out the first 22 lessons that have been published already, do consider checking them out by following the link under the description of this video. Remember, all you have to do is to repeat after me when I speak the Kashmiri words that are highlighted in red color in the slide. Let's get started. Chon, chon, yours. Chun, chun, diamond. Diamond in Kashmiri is also called as heer. Heer. Chun, chun, lime, leak, or ooze. Chonkhur, chonkhur, a small group of people. Chogil, chogil, backbiting or tail bearing. Chob, chob, lashing or beating. Chabuk, chabuk, hunter or a whip. Choke, choke, crossing, crossroads or a market. Choke, choke, kitchen. Chokart, chokart, frame. Now let's repeat all these 10 words in Kashmiri and you speak immediately after I have spoken. Chon, chun, chun, chonkhur, chogil, chob, chabuk, chok, choke, chokart.